Watch me face with the cakes up. Watch me face with the cakes up. Watch me face. Oh, where the blood? Vincent! The water done! Alright, let me get a ackee and sawfish.
Excuse me?
Ackee and sawfish.
A coffee?
Man, can't fix the road in the front, man. Can you see the little bump in the front of the dog? If I ask him, then can't fix the patch of road in the front of the dog. Face is in the act. Vincent! You pay the light bill? Alright, let me get a double quarter pounder with yam and banana.
Strawberry banana?
Jesus Christ, I can't see right. Let me take out them glass.
The number 3 is a double quarter. What kind of drink?
Yeah, that one.
Okay, no problem. What kind of drink?
With sorrel.
Excuse me?
It doesn't, you like donut or something sandwich or three?
Two of them.
Huh?
Two.
Give me some.
Not a blood clot. Have any bully beef in there? Any bully beef?
We have
What about like mackerel rundown? Yeah, mackerel rundown?
macaroni.
What happened to them mosquito, man? So, what that, man?
Chicken, fish, hamburger.
I can't eat fish because I did eat fish one time. It's stuck in my throat. Well, the thing is, I have like a phobia of fish. Because when I was looking at eating fish, and the bone gets stuck in my throat, and I had to go to the doctor and I had to surgically remove it.
Oh, this doesn't have bones. It's completely boneless.
What kind of fish is it?
It's mahi.
Jesus Christ, that's so expensive. I'm getting into it, yeah, with soap opera this, you know. Wow, go on, you so dog. What are we that, you know? Bumbo clock, man. What that, man?
Our burger.
But watch out.
He's okay. He's not gonna hit you.
What I want it?
He's not gonna hit you.
Cause the insurance, I don't know about the insurance for this.
No.
They laugh at a serious thing.
He's 1/3 or
The smallest one, cause I'm sounding heavy.
Okay.
I'm sounding heavy for my stomach. One pot soup, blood clot. Ready for soup, you know. How is this bomb? Vincent, the gas done!
Comes with lettuce and tomato. The original does not.
More lettuce and tomato, cause I try to stay healthy same time, you know. Have any bag juice?
No.
You know the bag juice?
No. We have.
You have sky juice?
Park your car right there and I'll bring you your phone.
Yeah, man. You gotta bring it up to me just like I bring it up to that one there.
What happened?
You gotta bring it up to me like I bring it up to that one there.
You're talking too fast for me.
You gotta bring it up to me like I bring it up to the one.
Yes, I'm gonna bring it up to you like that,
alright.
okay?
I like that. Alright.
Thank you so much.
Alright, me seeing a few. Mr. White? Watch your face with the cake stop. Watch your face with the cake stop. Watch your face with the cake stop. What's on that? No, what's on that? Oh my God! Get to me there. Get to me there. Well,